मुझे कहना क्या है? What should I say? What should I say? मैंने ये सब नहीं किया है. I haven't done all this. I haven't done all this. जरा इधर आइए. Come over here, please. Come over here, please. मैं क्यों करूँगा ऐसा? Why would I do so? Why would I do so? क्या आपने उनको यहाँ कहीं देखा है? Did you see him around? Did you see him around? मेरे साथ आइए, मैं बताता हूँ आपको. I will tell you, just come with me. I will tell you, just come with me. वो हमें जाने के लिए बोल रहा है. He is asking us to leave. He is asking us to leave. आपको पता भी है क्या कह रहे हो? Do you know what are you saying? Do you know what are you saying? लेकिन आप कैसे भूल सकते हैं? But how can you forget? But how can you forget? आपने क्यों मुझे उठा दिया? Why did you wake me up? Why did you wake me up? क्या मैं तकिया लाऊं आपके लिए? Should I bring you a pillow? Should I bring you a pillow? मुझे कुछ जरूरी बात करनी है आपसे. I have something important to tell you. I have something important to tell you. कब तक मैं कुंवारा रहूंगा? For how long would I remain a bachelor? For how long would I remain a bachelor? Let him win all the praise. Let him win all the praise. हम आपको निराश नहीं करेंगे इस बार. I won't disappoint you this time. I won't disappoint you this time. ऐसे लोगों से निपटना मैं जानता हूँ. I know how to handle such people. I know how to handle such people. वही तो दिक्कत है. That's the problem. That's the problem. I am just like his son. I am just like his son. हमारे बिना इसे कोई काम नहीं होता. Without us, he can't do anything. Without us, he can't do anything. I am allergic of cold. I am allergic of cold. बड़ी जल्दी आ गए आप. You came back early. You came back early. मुझे अब तुम्हारी जरूरत नहीं है. I no longer need you. I no longer need you. हमारा परिवार तंगी में चल रहा है. Our family is facing crisis. Our family is facing crisis. लेकिन मुझे कहीं न कहीं ऐसा लगता है कि ये सही वक्त नहीं वहां जाने का. But I somehow feel that this is not right time to go there. But I somehow feel that this is not right time to go there. जरा सोचिए कितना ज्यादा पैसा आप वहां से कमा सकते हैं. Just imagine how much money can you earn from there. Just imagine how much money can you earn from there. वो मेरा सपना कभी सच नहीं होने देगा. He won't let my dream become the reality. He won't let my dream become the reality. मैं तो सब समझ रहा हूँ, बस आप ही नहीं समझ रहे हो. I have understood everything but you haven't. I have understood everything but you haven't. लेकिन आप ये सब हमसे क्यों बता रहे हैं? But why are you telling all this to us? But why are you telling all this to us? इतनी महंगाई में भी वो कपड़े खरीद रहा है. He is buying clothes in such a crisis. He is buying clothes in such a crisis. लेकिन ये हमारे गांव की बहुत सालों से परंपरा है. Has been a tradition in our village for years. Has been a tradition in our village for years. लेकिन क्यों आपने ये सब ऑर्डर कर दिया? But why have you ordered all this? But why have you ordered all this? ये बहुत अच्छी खुशखबरी है. That's really some great news. That's really some great news. वो आपकी हार की वजह बनेगा. He will be the reason for your defeat. He will be the reason for your defeat. I am the one who always pays for everything. I am the one who always pays for everything. ये तबीज है, आपकी हिफाजत करेगी. It's an amulet, it will protect you. It's an amulet, it will protect you. क्या आपको शर्म आ रही है कि आप मुझे पैसे नहीं दे सकते? Are you ashamed to say that you can't give me money? Are you ashamed to say that you can't give me money? मैं आपके हाथ जोड़ रहा हूँ, मुझे परेशान ना करो. I beg to you, don't disturb me. I beg to you, don't disturb me. अगर मगर कुछ नहीं, आपको मेरी शादी में आना पड़ेगा. No ifs, no buts. You will have to attend my marriage. No ifs, no buts. You will have to attend my marriage. यही है जिससे आपको सावधान रहना है. He is the one whom you have to be careful of. He is the one whom you have to be careful of. आप स्कूल वक्त पर खराटे ले रहे हैं. You are napping during school time. You are napping during school time. धूप बहुत है, चक्कर खाकर गिर जाओगे आप. It is too sunny, you will faint. It is too sunny, you will faint. उसने हमारी काबिलियत पे हेम सम्मान दिया है. He gave us the prize because we deserve it. He gave us the prize because we deserve it. ये मैं खुद से नहीं कह रहा हूँ, इतिहास गवाह है. I am not saying that, history is the witness. I am not saying that, history is the witness. आपको खुशखबरी देना तो भूल ही गया था मैं. I forgot to give you some good news. I forgot to give you some good news. मेरी आज्ञा का पालन होना चाहिए. My command should be obeyed. My command should be obeyed. अब बस एक रास्ता बचा हुआ है. There is just one option left. There is just one option left. आपने मुझे बहुत ताने मारे हैं. You have taunted me a lot. You have taunted me a lot. Perhaps my enemy is petrified of me. Perhaps my enemy is petrified of me. आपको आज पता चलेगा मेरी ताकत का. Today you will realize my power. Today you will realize my power.